Hello again. We are back with another episode of Park Hyatt at Home, aka the Super Chef Dad Chronicles. For this week, we're doing a Texas-style smoked barbecue brisket. Howdy. So what did you think? What did you think about the meat that Daddy cooked yesterday? No, yes you did. Don't pretend. You always pretend that you didn't like it when I'm filming, but then you like it off camera. Really? I mean it. She really does. So what got me on this brisket kick, Rebecca got me this Franklin barbecue cookbook. This guy, Aaron Franklin, is a master. Now, I love barbecue, but a brisket is a whole different animal. This is like running the marathon. This is like climbing Mount Everest. With slightly less physical exertion and slightly more beer, but hey, that's okay. Yeehaw! Next time you see me, it's gonna be 5 a.m., cup of coffee in hand, fire burning in the background. Yeehaw! Good morning. It's 5:23 a.m. I hope it's worth it. I'm really tired. It's pretty cool. Yeehaw! Trim your brisket so there's about 1/8 of an inch of fat. Then we're gonna apply a seasoning paste and a dry rub, like so. Set up your grill for indirect cooking. I only light about 1/3 of a chimney of charcoal and then lay that over unlit coals, and that's gonna let me get a temperature of 275 degrees. After 2 hours with the lid closed, you're gonna spray your brisket with a mixture of water and apple juice every hour until it hits 165 degrees. And in the meantime, have a refreshing beverage or two, won't you? All right, so I didn't get this footage the other day when I was actually cooking the brisket. I'm gonna have to recreate it for you. This is a dramatization of an important step of cooking brisket, or really any barbecue, and that's wrapping. Imagine. Now what? What are you saying? Well, think about it. You know, I cooked a 8-pound brisket. At this point in the cooking, it was probably, I don't know, 7 pounds, 6 ounces. What else is 7 pounds and 6 ounces or so? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pull off 2 really big pieces of our butcher paper. Just like so. All right, lay your brisket in there. Fat side up with the flat side over here. All right, good night, I love you. Mwah. I'll see you when you're done. All right, something like that. A little bundle of joy. Into the oven, 275 degrees until you hit an internal temperature of 195. And we're gonna let it rest there for an hour, and then it's time to eat. Yeehaw! Zoe, what did you make for Park Hyatt at Home this week?
I made black painted hands on both sides.
All right, showtime. Look at this. Look, it's like Hanukkah, Zoe. Check it out, the grain on a brisket runs in 2 directions. The thin part, called the flat, goes one way, then you're gonna turn the brisket 90 degrees and cut through the point, which is the thicker end of the brisket. Done! You can find the complete recipe for all the brisket and side dishes in the description section of Super Chef Dad Chronicles on YouTube. Check it out. All right, so we are here with the whole Garelick family. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Mama and Papa Garelick. Zoe's with Uncle TV. Dad, what do you think? As your only son and heir to the Garelick fortune.
It's delicious.
I guarantee you the people that aren't your parents will love it. If you give it a try and you happen to have 7 to 10 hours to spare, check it out. What should you and I make next week?
Christmas trees with green frosting on top and a yellow frosting star on top.
No, how about?
Tacos with honey.
This is episode number 18, which is a great milestone. We've made 18 episodes, but that also means that we have been in quarantine for 18 weeks now. Remember, we started doing these videos for you, right? Just to help you, take your mind away from everything that's going on outside, give you some cooking tips, make you laugh, hopefully. That's the reason that we do Park Hyatt at Home. And happy cooking.
Happy cooking. Bon appetit.